Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Roofing Contractor, and welcome to our Best of Success podcast show. It is such an honor to have with me my good friend, David Del Coma, who is the Operations Manager for MFM. David, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for inviting us.
Absolutely.
I know we've had a long history together.
We have. I mean, we've been in this industry for a long. You're having your 15th anniversary here at MFM, but
Right.
you've been in the industry longer than that.
I was in the industry longer than that. So I've been with MFM for 15 years.
Well, congratulations. That's a big milestone for sure.
Yeah, it's a lot of trade shows. It's a lot of miles.
It is for sure, right? Well, let's talk about MFM because there's there's some great things going on. There's some new fire ratings we all need to hear about. So what is that? What do we all
MFM is, we're a manufacturer of waterproofing membranes. We have a whole lineup of self-adhered roofing underlayments. And one of those is Ultra HT. And that is now fire rated. It has a UL Class A fire rating, as well as a ICC approval for underneath shingles. So that's exciting for us. We're able to enter into that market.
Yeah.
Ultra has been around, I'd say it's going on 5 years now, and we've continually improved the product. And now we're able to get those fire ratings, and it's really helped our business open up some new doors. So.
Well, fire is a big deal. So you got that's really
it all starts in California. It's amazing. Yeah,
everything start in California, and then movies.
Every approval starts in California.
Well, MFM has always been a unique company.
Yeah.
And so, what is it that makes MFM unique?
MFM's unique. It started as a family business in 1961, so we're celebrating our 65th anniversary this year.
Wow.
In 2017, the owners of the company, it was a family-owned business, they decided to retire. There was 3 brothers. They all retired together, and they sold the company back to the employees.
Oh, that's
so
really
in
cool.
2017, we became an employee-owned ESOP company.
Okay.
So we're based in Ohio. We own the business. Everything's made in America, and everything we manufacture is self-adhered.
Awesome.
So we do everything from the rooftop to the foundation. So we have almost 32 different brands of products that we manufacture, and most people don't know that.
You know what? That's really cool. I forgot you were an ESOP. That is very unique for sure.
Oh, we love it. Yeah.
Awesome. If anybody wants to find out more, what's the website? Where do they go? What will they find out on your website?
The best place to go is our website. It's mfmbp.com. We have as many resources as I can put onto there. We have a blog. We have videos, we have installation instructions, all of our approvals. You name it, it should be on there. You should be able to find out everything you need to know. The blog section is pretty cool because it gives you those little inside tips on how to do certain applications.
Love it.
So it's a little different. It's a little fun. I write them, so I always got to put a little humor into everything I do. So.
Well, I know they're going to be fun, then that's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Sounds great.
We love having fun, so.
Absolutely. Well, again, lots of resources there for sure. And thank you again so much for joining me, David.
You're welcome.
And if anybody has any questions for us, it's roofingcontractor.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for all our free content. Follow us on all our social media channels so you can stay up to date on all the great information we're putting out like we are today with MFM. But most importantly, stay safe and healthy. We can't wait to talk to you soon. David, thank you for joining me.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.